Hi, this is the third episode of Toyplosion. Toyplosion, they call it 3.2. And this is the awesome toy show here in Germany. And I'm hunting for collectibles, toys, games, and meeting lots of nice people. So I will take you along and we will see who we're going to meet and what we're going to find. My name is Eric. I own a collectible shop in the Netherlands. It is full of youth memories, collectible toys, video games, vintage tech and music. I buy items or even complete collections directly at the shop and sometimes at markets throughout Europe. I will take you along on these trips and share weekly shop updates.
Erix Collectables!
There's so much stuff here that you immediately have to realize that you have to focus because there's so much to see and you get distracted immediately. So I really have to focus. So I think I will first walk a part of it and then be a bit more methodical in my ways. But there's so much stuff here, you get easy a sensory overload. Hey Laszlo, kerel, hoe is het?
Goed joh.
Heb je die gescoord?
Probeer te wisselen. So this is all the mat balls.
Oh yeah, nice.
I have parted mat balls as well. Like newer stuff but also vintage.
Oh nice.
And then I have here all street sharks and also like the more harder to find street sharks, like the knights. They're all new, yeah. This one as well.
Oh yeah, new for you. Yeah, new on the market.
New one stock.
Oh. Awesome.
And like this one, you have the blurred balls. You have the loose ones as well. And these are the vintage.
So this is from Italy.
These are the vintage man balls.
Ja. Wo ist das Schild hin? Das Schild. Da war doch das Verkaufsschild dran.
Was ist da hinten verkauft?
So this Masters of the Universe sign, it came from a video store, video rental store. And because Masters of the Universe is so popular in Germany, it immediately sold. At show opening for €500.
Ja, je zult tussen een bak liggen van €5.
Precies, ja. Hij is niet heel veel mooier dan al die andere...
Ik ga hem nog wel een keer op de rommelmarkt vinden voor €2.
Ja.
Ja.
Maar deze verkoop ik op commissie.
Ja.
Daar ga ik niet... Nee.
Scratch the cat, he invested in a nice acrylic case because he wants €1,200 for the figure.
Vrouw direct 3,50 op Collectible.
Ja, vorig jaar had ik dus heel veel gezien. Voor 2,20.
Ja, hij heeft zijn pak verkeerd gehad.
Ja.
Ik durf hem niet uit te leggen.
Nee. Toyplosion, is this your first time?
Yes, that's my first time that I stand here with friends. So yeah, it's really cool to be on the fair here.
I see a mask in box. I love it. They have a lot of masks.
Yes, but some. That's a piece that's more exclusive.
Oh, is it still sealed?
Shrink wrapped, yes.
Still sealed, original
Yes.
seal?
Original
Awesome.
seal. Yeah.
Wow.
That's almost unfindable.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Ah, we gaan je hebben.
The new June stuff by McFarlane. We've got the vintage ones in the shop. Independence Day toys. It's awesome.
Hey man.
Hey.
Alles goed?
Ja,
Tijd
man.
niet gezien?
Ja. But to be honest, nothing yet that shouts at me for the shop. Captain Power and the Soldiers of the Future. I remember this fondly, but it was on Super Channel in the Netherlands, and you could actually shoot at the guys on the television show with your light gun. So it was like Duck Hunt, but then next level. No, I'm in Germany and I see the English one. Oh, I see a price here.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's 150, but
It's a rubles.
we can talk about it. Yeah, but it's complete. This
There
one,
should be a lot of
this
small
one, yeah,
pieces.
yeah, in there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, well, keep it in mind if that's okay.
Yeah, keep it in mind.
Yeah. Let's see if we can also find some video games. Found some Sega Master System games. Tom and Jerry and The Simpsons. I love this when there's a crossover and it's Sega, and it's something that goes very well in my shop. Crash dummies. Let's see if it's complete. E.T. E.T. He has the same initials as me. But the real question is it worth 65 euros? This is getting more sought after every day. Bucky O'Hare. It's one of those cartoons that people now really search for, and it looks like it's a Spanish version. And here you can see this is an English version. Ah, but the bubble is open. That's a shame.
Erix Collectables.
Hey, Reto Yuri is also here, all the way from Haarlem. And is this the first time on Toyplosion?
No, it's second time.
Second time, okay.
First time I was upstairs in the corner, and now I'm on the main floor.
Well, the show just opened, so I guess you're not selling already, but...
We already sold something yesterday also, but not too much.
Okay,
But
so
it's okay.
what are the best pieces that you brought?
Yeah, my best pieces are the Filmation Ghost commands over there. The one on the right is 1500 and the one on the left is 1000.
Some nice boxed transformers on the top there. Good luck.
Okay.
Have fun today.
Have a nice day.
It's a nice store display. Well, this is Joe. This is the owner of the best toy shop in England.
Well, I wouldn't say that, Eric.
Yeah,
I'd
well,
say
of course.
We're sort of getting away with it. And we have been for some time. We've been going since 2008 as a shop.
Yeah.
I've been selling toys since '99, baby.
Yeah, man.
So
okay.
no, it's all
so-
good. It's a great show here.
Yeah, this is your second time, right?
Second time for us. We had a little booth last time. We shared with Billy Galaxy from America.
Yeah.
This time we've got rid of Billy
Yeah.
for this one,
Yeah, it's just ballast.
and it's just us. Yeah, ballast. Yeah, he knows too much. I go around with him and he picks all the best things before I do. So I can't do that this
I
time.
understand.
So no,
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah.
We're within. There's some amazing toys here at Toyplosion this weekend. We are within striking distance of our hive, which is, as advertised, the worst hive in the world. This is how we sell it, or had not sold it successfully. And then
yet,
up there, look, there's another one right on the top there. You can
Oh,
see it in
yeah,
this
true.
camera.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, Bart. Can you get it? Yeah, you got it, mate.
I hope for you it's
And there's
more
an
expensive.
Eternia there. There's another Eternia over
Oh,
there.
Master of the Universe is so
Man,
big
but
here.
how many shows do you go to? There's 2 hives, 2
Yeah.
Eternias. It's amazing. Toyplosion, guys, if you've not been, come to it. It's
Yeah,
a
you have
great
to.
show.
Yeah. Well, and it's, to be honest, it's my first time visiting. So,
Well, mate, I'm telling you. Have you found the other hall yet?
No, not yet. No.
There is another hall. When
There's
you go
another
upstairs,
hall.
there's another hall across there. There's stuff going on.
Amazing.
It's great.
There's so many nice people here that I cannot get out of
There's
this
so many
hall.
nice people and
Yeah.
me.
Hey, it's nice meeting you again.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Eric. And look after yourself. And I look forward to coming to see your shop soon again.
You're welcome.
So,
Thank you.
I'm looking forward to going in that back room and finding
Yeah.
some treasure.
See you.
Thank you, my friend.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Playmobil. It certainly brings back memories, but it doesn't bring back my customers. I love Playmobil. I had it as a child and I was very fond of it. together with Fischer Technique, which I expected to find here. Fischer Technique is a German toy, but I haven't seen anything here. But together with Playmobil, that's my childhood. But for the shop, yeah, it's a pass. Yeah, this is Mark. He's from Old School Toys, and he's very close to my shop actually. Yeah. So we have a lot of shared customers, and it's an awesome combination, I think. Eh?
Yeah, in my opinion also.
Yeah. So if you visit my shop, also visit Old School Toys, and vice versa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah.
of course.
What are your main things in the shop?
My passion is Star Wars,
Yeah.
and so I have a lot of Star Wars stuff, but I have a lot of retro vintage, Funkos, some people hate it, some people love it, and a lot of comics. So you're also in computers. I haven't got any game or console.
I've got computers, I've got music and video games, and we've got some toys. Yeah.
Best combination.
Yeah, so it's a good combination. Yeah, so if you're in the neighborhood, then do that combination.
To both stores.
Okay, good.
Thanks.
Well, enjoy the show.
Thank you, and have a nice day.
Look what I found, this Boinkers.
Uit welke film?
I just found it.
Come on, uit welke
Ik wil
film?
eerlijk zeggen, ik heb het gekocht en gezegd, joh, ik ga dit...
There's somebody shouting, I don't know who it is.
Zat in de film Big.
was iemand...
Yeah, I know. The one was in the yellow one.
The yellow one.
Yeah.
Nou, toch dat hij die gekocht heeft, hè?
So the guy shouting there,
Ze wisten het
very
niet, maar,
awkwardly, is Peter Kamp.
Hi, hi.
Hey Peter.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Yes, good, good.
Yeah. Peter Kamp, of
busy.
course, very known from the Toy Boys in Haarlem.
In Haarlem, yes.
Awesome shop, and you just remodeled, I saw.
Yeah, we did a little remodeling, made it a little bigger. We need more space.
More
so,
shop.
More shop.
Oh, I have to come and visit you again.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, what did you bring with this to this show?
Lots of different things, lots of box stuff, lots of carded stuff. There's Japanese stuff in here, Mexican stuff, all kinds of collectibles. Got the Turtle TV.
Oh,
Very special.
that's awesome.
Will not find one very soon. And I bought this for myself
Are you into McDonald's,
because I'm very scared of the clown.
or are you have trouble getting up early in the morning?
Yes, I was too late this morning, so Laszlo sold me this
okay.
his alarm clock.
You were too late here. We were very early here. So, yeah, so when you're in Haarlem, visit the Toy Boys.
Yes,
Peter,
see you in Haarlem.
thank you very much,
Thank you.
and
Have
enjoy the
fun.
show.
Have fun.
I found Yoshi's Island and Arkanoid for Super Nintendo. Let's see if they want my money. Is it a bigger one? Yeah, it's like this, like yeah, okay.
Like
Okay,
this?
yeah. So Polly Pocket. This is what is it? Purse size. It's getting more popular every day. Yeah. Everybody's looking for Polly Pockets.
The display was not good.
Yeah. So you replaced it. Yeah.
Completely new.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at what's inside. Yeah, it's original earbuds.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show. So I bought the original Game Boy in its case with a Game Boy printer and the Game Boy camera. And I think the camera and the printer are more for the Game Boy Color, but that's okay. They work with the original Game Boy as well. And it looks nice and complete, so I'm happy with it. So what we have here is the empty box for the Lego icons. And so they're selling an empty Lego box for just 15 euros. It can be yours, and you can put anything inside actually. You know, a moving box is 5 euros, so it's very cheap. If you're doing a move, you can use this box.
Oh, Erix Collectables.
Hello, goedendag.
How are you? I like your show, it's good.
Yeah, yeah, well, thank you very much. Yeah. It's a complete system. Is it heavy?
Yeah. Oh, I'm wrecking the place. Yeah, it's complete.
Oh, yes, this is 64 inside.
Yeah.
And does it come with the games? No, those. Yeah, I was hoping that the games were there. That's that's why. So this box was in there, and then there was another box with the games. Sorry, I have to pass on it.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, we found some consoles here, and my eye caught on this Nintendo 64 Star Wars Episode 1 Racer limited edition. So this is awesome, and I didn't ask for the price, and the reason is that the box is too much banged up. And my guess is that they are asking pretty close to my reselling price, which would then need a more pristine box. So unfortunately we have to pass on this. Some good toys here. There's upstairs Titanus in the box, and there's a Dutch box, Titanus with an O. In the US it is called Titanus with a U, but Anus is something that they wouldn't put on the box, so they changed it to Titanus with the O. On top there, the Turtles blimp. It's a toy you don't see that often anymore because it is actually a blow-up plasticky thing, rubbery thing that you have to blow up. What I think is funny about this toy is when the Turtles started, they were hiding in the sewer and they shouldn't show themselves to the people. And then as the show progressed, they made this blimp. Here we are, the Turtles! So, it's kind of counterintuitive when you look at it hiding in the sewers versus showing yourself with a very big blimp. Let's take the car and go back home. It was a very fun fair that we had. The Toyplosion is awesome. I will certainly be back next year. Met a lot of nice people. It was awesome to see so many great toys, great games as well. I bought some, so I will see you in the shop for those. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and bye for now.